Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your jot forms, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unpublish or make a jot form private? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unpublish or make a jot form private anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your promotions change from time to time. So maybe you need to make that lead capture form private. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Jotform account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Jotform, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and unpublish one of your jot forms, first you're going to click on all forms here on the left. So once you click on all forms, you're going to see all of the forms that you have set up in Jotforms. You can see I just have this one right here. Now in order to unpublish this or make it private, all you're going to do is just hover over it until it turns purple. Once you've done that, you're going to see these three buttons and you want to click on more. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this big menu. Now, one thing I want to know is if you know you're not going to use this form ever again, you can simply just delete it by clicking on move to trash, or you can even archive it and save it later if you think you might come back to it. However, if you simply want to unpublish it, all you're going to do is here on the top left, click on publish form. It looks like a little arrow. All right, once you do that, this box is going to pop up and you can see right here, this is a public form. So in order to change that, all you're going to do is click on public form. Once you do that, you're going to see these three options and you want to click on private form. Now they do let you know only available invited people who you've sent an email to are going to be able to see that. So I'm going to click here. Okay, now you see this blue check mark pops up. So only available to invited people. So I'm going to close this down. Okay, once you do that, you can see that the form is now private. So if somebody goes to this link, they're not going to be able to see this jot form. Now, if I want someone to see it, I can come back in here and then invite them by email by adding their email address in here. Once you enter their email address, you can go ahead and just send the invitation. Now, if you need help publishing it, once again, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unpublish or make a form private with your jot form, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.